In the difficult battle of wheeling in the mountains, Koham off-road remote mower will be your capable assistant. It is designed for rugged mountain rides, and its super strong off-road performance seems to have injected the soul of an off-road vehicle. Faced with the complex terrain of the mountains, it relies on its super strong grip track design to easily mow grass, ensure stable machine operation, and efficiently solve weeds. The operator only needs to remotely control and command from a distance, and it will dive into the messy grass with its blades spinning at high speed, causing grass debris to fly around. Both directions can be used for mowing, and the messy grassland instantly becomes orderly and tidy, solving the problem of wheeling easily.